It's been a long time coming. Hello, welcome back to whatever it is I do here. If you're new here, I do a lot of Volkswagen content, and I just kind of f around. Obviously by the title of this video, you understand that I'm here to talk about the Golf R. And I say it's a long time coming because I have not made a video in quite some time, and I have some people lingering with questions. Okay, other shop there. So I'm gonna kind of go over what's been going on, which in all reality is absolutely nothing. Winter hit, it got washed, and it got put under this car condo. And the last time we were talking about the R's when it had a camshaft type ticking noise, we replaced the camshaft magnet adjuster. That's kind of where we left off. The video showed that it fixed it. Physically, you could hear in the two parts that were replaced. I do have a fairly busy life and it's hard for me to keep up, and I anticipated being done with the Golf R as far as doing the repairs by the end of December, and it is the end of December and it's still not fixed. So it's just been trickle charging its little heart out. God. Well, I found one, but it's not charged, so we'll see where it's at. I'm actually kind of happy that I didn't proceed. The reason for that is because, so in the description of that video, it states that I did not fix the car with the cam magnet adjuster. After my car got up to operating temperature, the noise came back. That left me to want to take it to VW and get an actual diagnosis on it. And so I took it to Volkswagen. So there are these plungers that are right behind the cam magnet adjusters. Instead of having to crack open the valve cover, and then you have to also take the timing, take the timing cover off, and you have to replace the camshaft itself. But there is a tool to pull those plungers out and replace them. The first thing they told me was like, we have to start there and see if that fixes it. If not, then we're gonna have to dig a little deeper. Then I really wanted to actually do timing chains, because with the camshaft, kind of like some combined labor with that. That's a downside to if it is. The upside is that I won't have to spend copious amounts of dollars to fix my issue. My friend Matt, who's actually owner of the shop, a buddy of his reached out and said, hey, did you guys find the issue yet? And he's like, no, but these plungers might be it. This guy, he dailies his Mark 7 and he put these plungers in and it fixed his issue. The first thing is getting the tool to extract the plungers out so we can do it correctly, because I don't want to, I kind of need to take a look at it, but I guess there's like little insert pieces, and that is the next step in the process. And that's what's going to be coming up as far as content goes pretty soon here. I know I've been slacking on posting, and I always say I have a really busy life because I do. I'm not just bullshitting. I have goals for 2024. I want to be more consistent with posting. I want to be more involved with the R and upgrades, modifications, whatever. And I also want to get out more and travel and go to more car shows. I want to do a hybrid turbo and multi-port, and also, oh my god, I forgot to put that hose back on my airbox. I did my engine air filter yesterday. I'm so stupid. Are you kidding me? That shit's just dangling. Funny thing for these air filters, you have to remove the whole airbox, remove the clamps, and there's screws underneath the airbox you need to undo in order to even open the housing. You can't just open it here to check your air filter. So that's why this is unhooked, and I just randomly remembered that. I'm gonna set my camera down because my hood is balancing on my head and it hurts. You see how bad my ADHD is? So I was getting ready for work this morning, and then all of a sudden I realized, I'm like, oh my god, I never put that freaking breather hose thing back on my earbox. So, and then I remembered it again just now because I forgot to do it at work. So yeah, agenda here is to purchase those plungers, get the tool to take the plungers out, and another thing I want to start working on this year is doing more Mark IV content. I don't even own a Mark IV, but my friend loves Mark IVs just as much as I do. I know I have a lot of Mark 7 people on here, but Volkswagen is Volkswagen, Deutschland is Deutschland, you know what I'm saying? Meme of the week is right here. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe with all the stuff and the things and the stuff. And we'll see you maybe next week. That was weird. Okay, bye.